It's just very important to understand how critical every dollar is, especially right now. At the national level, the National Cancer Institute is only funding the top 7% of grants this year. That's a historically low number, and it's especially hard because right now we're able to do so many new things and make so many great discoveries, and we're translating those discoveries into new therapies. And to have that process slow down is very disappointing, simply because of the lack of funds. And so every dollar is extremely important right now. Here in Tennessee, especially here at Vanderbilt, the ACS has had a huge impact because many of our junior investigators struggle with that first grant.
So the ACS grants have had a huge impact on my research program and others' research programs as well. So most labs are funded off NIH grants. NIH grants are federal funds that are paid by taxpayer monies. Nowadays, it's even more competitive to get those NIH funds. For example, the National Cancer Institute, which is the major institute for funding cancer research, only funds less than 10% of the grants that are submitted. That means 90% of the grants that are submitted never get funding. That research never gets done, even though a large percentage of those grants are probably scientifically worthwhile projects to fund.
I think we've kind of in our society gone to this instant gratification. We're texting, we're tweeting, we're Facebooking. When you give to the American Cancer Society, you might not immediately see the effects of your donation, but this is something that eventually you'll see new perspectives, new innovations developing because of your donation. I think it's giving something beyond ourselves, whether it's volunteer time or financial donation. I would tell donors, this is the right thing to do, and again, you might not see the effects of that, but know that they're happening and that it takes a while for certain projects to develop and have the data. And like I said, that the bench bedside community, the real goal is to get this out to the community, everything that we discover, so that we can start affecting change on a larger level, not just within our research population, but larger communities, domestically, internationally.
The American Cancer Society people, the people that are involved with raising money for Relay, they're just an amazing group of people. It's great to leave the laboratory and go out and talk to regular folks who are actually doing really good work trying to raise money. And it's good as a researcher to get outside of our bubble and to see other people who are actually involved in the effort to try to make a difference.
It's an absolute privilege for me to work with people who care. The people that I've met, the team leaders through Relay, family members, cancer survivors, they are amazing. And they are raising money for research and part of the fight against cancer.